Well guys, welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we are taking the 500 out. We were going to do a lot of mud today, but as you're going to see in about 5 seconds, all the mud's gone, like all of it. That ditch, you can see it used to be super deep. It's gone. I could go in there, but I would really need somebody to pull me out. So we're going to try to see if we can break through some of this mud over here. That really deep hole that's over there. Y'all seen it before. It's actually dry right now. Maybe if we're lucky, we can break through and get to some mud. But I don't know. Maybe we'll probably go exploring some today. We're going to do some mud, but most likely it's going to be a lot of exploring too, because hey, if it's all dry, you can't really get it. We're going to try going through here and go that way and see if maybe there's some mud back there that we've never seen. So let me hit the GoPro on and I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, we got it going. We got the 500 ready. Let's put 4-drive on. That way we are ready. So this is by the way guys, this is a bad time of year to really ride these spots because the cottonmouth's coming crazy around August, September. Look at that. Just look out, there's no water in any of these holes right now. That's a canal, guys. Ugh, this sucks. It sucks when all your water dried up. I think it's supposed to be a storm this week, so maybe it'll give us a little water, but holy crap. Look at that. There's no water in there. What gear are we in? We in first. Maybe we'll get lucky and break through that and get some mud in there, but I don't think so. Ah, no. Oh, that didn't do anything. There is no mud in there. This wheel is so cocky main from where the bushes are out. That is not a good thing. This isn't good. There's like no mud anywhere. We're gonna push through right here. Just make sure we're in force gear in case we do hit any. This is actually a good spot, but last time I come through here with 300, I got stuck years ago. Yeah, there ain't no mud here either. I don't think there's any mud anywhere over here. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We really are in this crazy drought right now. Ah! At least I can knock some of these down so when we do get rain. Oh crap! I must have hit a tree. You know, I've never been back here. Let's go back here and see what we got. I haven't been back here since I was little. Look at that canal there. That looks fun. Oh, if I had somebody, man, this is nice. Oh, ah! There's that deer stand. Well, we have no mud back here, so let's go find a little bit of mud somewhere. Oh, crap, nope, ow. But I'm telling you, look, these woods are pretty fun. I think we're supposed to get a rain this week, like a nice downpour. Maybe we'll get a little bit, but I don't know what we're gonna do if we don't. We're gonna have to start going to find some deeper holes. Like right there, like I said, right there would be great if I had somebody with me. Look at the cypress these there. I bet that spot right back there stays soaking wet how low it is. But right now, it's not anything. Yeah, baby. I can guess, ladies and gentlemen, is there must be a spring in here or something, because this is the only spot in the area with mud left in it. Oh, put my feet up. I always get stuck right here. Bounce, baby, bounce. Just in case you're wondering why we keep getting stuck there. Come on, come on. Show me how you foot shift the thing. Well, my foot's wet now. Woo! Look at that. Ow. Try not to get my feet too wet. Oh, I just got my butt wet. Whatever. What the? How did this happen? Hang on. Y'all seeing this, right? My seat somehow has got all, I don't know how to explain it. I guess I didn't put it on right, who knows? There you go. Maybe, I don't know, that's kind of weird. Weird thing to happen to your seat. I do have one more place I know about, but it's not, it's like 30 miles from here that always has water. We'll probably have to go, we'll go in it probably next weekend. Whoa. Whoa, that water was cold on my feet. See if we can break something. I really want to break this front, break whatever's popping. Is it the front diff? I don't know. Is it the axle? I don't know. Whatever it is, I want to break it. I don't like this tile though. This tile's bothering me so much. We're gonna go in slow because last time I jumped in here, I about broke my snorkel off. I just got mud in my mouth. Well, let's go somewhere else. This place is a bust. Hello. Ah, don't stab me. This is where we got stuck the other day. And it's even drier than it was that day. That is not good. What is going on with my mud? Oh, right there. We're going through the woods, boys, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see this thing, how bad it looks. Oh, I now see what's hitting. Huh. That's not good. Y'all see that, right? The tile's actually hitting the, this tile is leaning in and actually hitting the shot. Huh, that's probably what's rubbing. That's crazy. Definitely gotta get that fixed. Oh, fourth gear. Let's see what's going on. There you go. I bet that's what's been popping so much, because it only pops every so often and randomly. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. We're going for a trip on my favorite piece. Moving through the sky. Little Hyundai. Ah! Talk about open woods here, boys. And girls. Believe it or not, I'm getting some crazy views with girls lately. Or females, I'm sorry, not girls. Like I used to keep like almost 0% female, and lately I looked up there and I had like 15% ladies. I said, holy crap, women are watching my content. So ladies, if you're here, leave a comment. Say hi. Oh crap, oh crap. Ah, I don't want to bust these outlaws. Those Cypress knees will bust the outlaw in a heartbeat. And yes, I'm speaking from experience. Oh no, the tree fell in my hole. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm a second. This thing's pretty bad to the bone, I gotta say. I can't really go that way or this way. Now I gotta show y'all some stuff. So I gotta say, welcome everybody. I'm glad everybody's been enjoying the content lately. I know a lot of people say I've been staying in the same holes, but as you can see, it's not because I want to stay in the same holes. It's because everything's drying up. Like everything is like literally disappearing, all the mud. We've got like less than an inch of rain in like 3 months, which down here we're a swamp, so that's very rare to not get any rain, and that's just what we've been having lately. I think this is where my spot was. You don't drive through here for like 1 week or a couple weeks and voila, your whole path is gone. I tried to come in with the side-by-side earlier, but this tree right here stopped me. It scratched my side-by-side all up. I was kind of sad about that. Oh. To show y'all just how bad it is, this is where you pump water out of in a dike so it won't come back in here. And look at that. There's no mud in there. You can actually see there's a door right there. That was an old one that had blown off and we could never find it in the water. And yeah, I know some people saying once you go in there, it would take that excavator there to get me out if I got in there, because it's still muddy, but I have nobody here to help me. And that ditch right there is 15 foot deep probably after we dug it out. You can see all the piles of dirt and how deep we dug it. So those piles of dirt from there. So if you're wondering just kind of how deep it actually is. Holy crap. Man, that looks fun. I bet that would be fun to go back there right now. Why don't I have any friends? Just jump in there and just drive through the wood back there. I bet it'd be fun right now. I think I'm gonna call this video the quest for mud, because I feel like that's all I'm doing right now, is searching for some random mud hole. Man, it's rough out here. Watch out, beep beep. Coming through! Crazy man coming through! Ah! Oh! Yeah, daddy, come on! Oh, that was fun. Well, as fun as finding zero mud can be. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the quest for mud was a bust. It's sad. What can we do? We tried what we could. All the holes are dried up. I have a couple left that have like aquifers where they always stay like muddy and wet, like that one we normally go in. But all these in this area, like I showed y'all, are gone. There's nothing left in them. Nothing but that one. So we will probably be putting the aeon bushes. As I showed you, it's rubbing the shock really bad. It's shiny now. That's how bad it was rubbing. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, and then we're gonna take it to this place, and we're gonna go mudding, and hopefully it will do better. And maybe that's what's causing the popping noise. I'm praying, because I don't want it to be the death for the transmission. So anyways, guys, make sure you check out this other 500 video, and make sure you check out the 500 playlists that we just started. And we put a playlist of everything: the 350, the 6x6, the Wolverine X4, and I don't think we have a playlist of the Mini, but there's some videos of the Mini. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all on the next one.